Hi, I'm Nicolette Yevich, and I serve as the Career Services Coordinator here in the College of Health Sciences. I have a few tips for you for the Health and Wellness Career Fair. First, I would say have your resume reviewed. Make sure that someone looks over it and that you have the best document possible, and then bring copies with you when you go to the career fair. Second, you want to make sure to strategically think about who you want to meet with at the fair. There's going to be all kinds of recruiters there, so make a plan so that you can spend your time wisely. Third, I would say be prepared with good questions. Research these organizations ahead of time so you have questions that you want to know the answers to. Plan your outfit. We are asking students to dress business professional, so plan your outfit, and then while you're at the fair, go ahead and stop by our LinkedIn photo booth so you can get a free headshot. Next, I would say practice your elevator pitch. Make sure that you feel confident and comfortable as you walk up to an employer or a recruiter, shake their hand, and introduce yourself. And then my bonus tip, if you really want to stand out after a career fair, thank the recruiters. Send a really quick email, tell them you appreciated your time. Remember, gratitude never goes out of style. Now, for all of our Mizzou students, I want to make sure that you know that you can attend any career fair happening across campus, and there's probably 7 or 8 of them. For all the latest information on career fairs, go to Handshake, and you'll find who exactly is coming to which fair across campus.